In a world that moves at lightning speed, where roles and responsibilities never seem to pause, the 10th International Women's Conference unfolded. A gathering of minds, a celebration of spirit, call to breathe and just be. From February 14th to 16th, 2025, over 1,100 delegates and guests from 50 countries came together at the Art of Living International Centre in Bengaluru. Leaders, change makers, and visionaries, all united by the desire to connect, learn, inspire, and be inspired. Inaugurated by the Honourable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, and the Honourable Governor of Karnataka, Shri Thawar Chand Gehlot, the conference was graced by the profound wisdom of Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, founder of the Art of Living, and Bhanumati Narasimhan, chairperson of the International Women's Conference.
It is heartening to see so many women from different walks of life gathered here from various parts of the world. I am confident that all the women attending this conference will come out with such spiritual principles that can be applied by people to make their lives more beautiful and peaceful. देवियों और स्वजनों, श्री श्री गुरुजी को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। ऐसे एक मिशन लेके वो आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, प्रेरणा स्रोत के रूप में उभारे हैं। इसलिए मैं भगवान को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ और गुरुजी को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
So this is the time for us to know who we are, understand a little bit about our own mind and consciousness. That is why we called it Secrets of Mind and Consciousness. Just enjoy and just be. Yes?
तनाव से मुक्ति, जीवन में प्रगति और समुदाय को साथ लेने की क्षमता की शक्ति, ये तीनों महिलाएं हासिल कर सकती हैं। किसी ने कहा महिलाएं बहुत भावनात्मक होती है, तो यही समस्या है। मैंने कहा यही समस्या नहीं है, ये तो बहुत अच्छा एक वरदान है। भावनात्मक होती है तभी तो जोड़ सकती है सबको। इंडिया हैज shown the way of women empowerment. You know, here the mythology says the main ministries are given to women. The defense ministry, Durga; finance ministry, Lakshmi; education ministry to Saraswati. All this is governed by women.
जब महिलाएं खुद को पूरी तरह स्वीकारती हैं, तो वे आत्मविश्वास से भर जाती हैं और हर क्षेत्र में उत्कृष्टता प्राप्त कर सकती हैं।
So now I am here in front of you as an MEP, also as a lawyer, a politician, a professor, a mother, and I have to tell you, ladies, that it's possible. You can really do whatever you want.
Do not allow anyone to take over your thought or thinking process. Your soul, your power of being who you are and what you stand for.
Within each of us lies a power. The power to overcome, to create, to lead, and to change.
As we gather here, let us reaffirm our commitment to supporting one another, breaking barriers, and shaping the world where every woman thrives, not just in India but globe.
Honouring those who have made a difference, the Vishalakshi Award recognized exceptional women leaders who have not only excelled in their fields, but have also been beacons of inspiration for women worldwide. The Acharya Ratnanand Award was also presented for selfless service to society.
We stand on the shoulders of the women who fought the battles that we don't have to fight anymore. It is your duty to pay it forward. It is your duty to fight this fight and win it, so that your daughters and their daughters don't have to fight.
नारी शक्ति है, प्रकृति है, शक्तिशाली है.
The leadership of a woman is inclusive and empathetic. This is much needed in the world right now.
अलग मेरा रंग है, मेरी खुद से ही जंग है, जीत जाऊँ ए खुदा अगर तू मेरे संग है.
Be adventurous, be tenacious, be you, because in the whole world there can be many copies, but only one me. Across 3 days, profound conversations unfolded. Discussions on financial independence, conscious parenting, ancient healing traditions, and redefining success.
In India, we say there is Lakshmi and there is Vaibhav Lakshmi. It's Vaibhav Lakshmi which you really experience. You can have millions and billions in the cupboard, but if there is no happiness in the family, there is no happiness in your mind, there is no peace in your mind, then you are not having a habit of giving, you will not feel your Vaibhav at all.
Just imagine if every child around the world had that knowledge to say, I within myself in my core, I have the intuition and the skills and the tools to navigate this incredible complex environment that I'm in. At the free schools, I saw that achieved in unimaginable ways, and that was very inspiring.
But all of us sitting here in this room are infused with this power of creativity.
Don't want love, you are love.
I'm a daughter, I'm a sister, I'm a friend, I'm a wife, I'm a daughter-in-law. But when I'm in my creative space, that is my space where I can just be and create.
From politics, medicine, and business to social activism, sports, and cinema, the International Women's Conference witnessed thought-provoking discussions between global leaders. Stories of resilience, leadership, and self-discovery echoed through the halls. Women who have shaped history, sharing their journeys, reminding us that empowerment begins with a pause and with the courage to just be. Shaila Merchant, Managing Director of Encore Healthcare, unveiled her book, The Making of Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque in Gurudev's Presence, a tribute to artistry, heritage, and timeless wisdom. The audience was captivated by a stellar performance from Zanai Bhosle, granddaughter of legendary singer Asha Bhosle. While acclaimed playback singer Hema Sardesai had everyone dancing with joy. Amidst the whirlwind of discussions and celebrations, the participants found a moment of stillness. Guided by Gurudev himself, through his meditations, they relaxed, let go, and embrace the essence of just be.
As you become aware of the vast space, your body starts to relax. Just be. Let go and be. Was it good?
Delegates also experienced the transformative power of Sudarshan Kriya, a powerful rhythmic breathing technique that harmonizes the body, mind, and emotions. From the aromatic specialities of the north to the soulful delicacies of the south, the ashram's Annapurna kitchen delighted delegates with wholesome sattvic meals, offering a rich tapestry of Indian flavors. The IWC 2025 was about connection, meaningful conversations, new friendships, and the spirit of togetherness.
I find it so fascinating and so exhilarating that in this platform I can meet women from so many different countries, so many different backgrounds. And where do you get an opportunity to spend 2-3 days like this?
The fact that we have come from different parts of the world to just be is itself an amazing experience.
I feel like a woman in a very new sense.
So many things might be different, but the most common thing is the smile.
We are from the Netherlands and we came here to the International Women's Conference to just be.
Fashion met philanthropy in a one-of-a-kind auction where bidding on exquisite apparel became an opportunity to sponsor education for girls at the Art of Living free schools. Style with a purpose, empowerment in action.
This handkerchief comes to you as a token of love and gratitude for sharing their dreams and being a part of the Gift a Smile project.
A soul-stirring theatrical performance left the global audience spellbound. Sita Charitam, a narrative soaked in unconditional love, sacrifice and power, saw a mega cast of over 500 artists presenting 30 diverse dance, music and art forms. It was Ramayan retold from the perspective of Ma Sita.
Everybody and every human being can connect with Sita only because her ability to be Sthita Prajna.
Rasagna, the first of its kind international food festival at the ashram, brought together more than 150 Sattvic vegetarian delicacies from 30 global cuisines.
It's amazing. Super.
As the conference came to an end, music became the language of the heart. The talented musical duo Shaurendra Malik and Shaumyujit Das enthralled the delegates with an intimate concert under the moonlight. One couldn't have asked for a more heartfelt finale to an unforgettable journey. The IWC 2025 was not just a conference, it was a movement, a space where women uplifted each other, wisdom was shared, and transformation began.
Connected we are to the land and the stars. Connected we are to every mind, every heart. Yet here I stand with no one to thank. I see every one of you, yet I see no other. Jai Guru.
The conversations continue. The impact lives on because the journey of transformation, of knowing oneself, never stops. Until next time,
just be.
Just be.
Just be.
Just be.
Just be.
Events are transitory. Pick up the wisdom and be free. Relax and just be.